Hello everybody, a very warm welcome to SD Capital's official YouTube channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Today's session, as usual, there will be at the end, there will be a free stock recommendation. Before that, two very interesting topics. One, we are going to explain on what basis we really provide our free stock recommendations. In past videos, we have discussed how our free stock recommendations actually performs, and you have all seen the huge performance they have delivered so far. But today's session, we are going to actually take a look into one of our free stock recommendation and analyze for you. This will help you understand why we recommend something when we recommend. But even before that, today's topic is more about SD Capital because we are getting more and more questions regarding how we actually operate. So, first thing first, SD Capital is a portfolio management service. This company helps you invest in the Indian stock market, NSE market, in a way completely different to what you have seen so far. This is first of all an advisory based service. That means you trade from your own account. You do not transfer any investable amount to SD Capital's account. All the time, you can see what is happening with your portfolio. We always say that we live our values. Our values are not words written on piece of papers or words in the emails or in a PDF file. Our value of transparency. Being transparent is key to us, and hence all our clients actually trade from their own trading account, own demat account. We just provide advisory via emails, which basically tells you what to buy, when to buy, at what price. And that's when we send an email, we also accompany it with a WhatsApp message to make sure that you are checking your emails. The very next question which comes our way, what if I miss an email or a WhatsApp message? We do understand that many a times it happens. So if you go through our terms and conditions, you can see that only when quite a number of advisories are missed in a row, only then we have to renegotiate. Other than that, if you are able to follow our advisory, say for example, out of 6 advisory, you just miss one, that doesn't mean anything. We actually take that into consideration when we design your portfolio. And hence, please do not be afraid of the situation where you miss to follow advisory. We typically send a revised advisory that may be for the same stock 2 weeks down the line. It may very well be a completely different stock. So that is not something you should worry about. That is our value of transparency. Our next value is safe. We all know that equity investment is subjected to market risk. It is actually true. No escape from it. You go via mutual funds route, you go via SIP mutual fund route, you go via any other route. There will be market risk. But please remember, SD Capital share your losses. That means if you are making losses, we will share a percentage of that. And hence, it is in our best interest that we try to protect your investment and your profit as much as possible. Otherwise, we stand to lose a lot of money. If 100 of our clients are making losses, it becomes unsustainable. Hence, that is our value of safety. The next thing is low cost. I know when you look at our terms and conditions, our brochure, you find that we what amount of profit we do share, and that seems to very many people, that seems really high. I would like to make a key point here. First of all, there is no fixed annual fee for us. What does that mean? Only when you make money, we make money. Unlike your mutual funds, SIP mutual funds, or any other investment vehicle you normally come across, there is no fixed fee for us. When a mutual fund with expense ratio 1%, 2%, 3%, you are joining such a mutual fund, that means irrespective of what your profit or loss is, you end up paying that money every year. If a 2% expense ratio mutual fund is what you are after, in 5 years' time, you actually end up paying 10% to them, irrespective of their performance. For us to get 2%, that is something you have to first make at least 7% or 10%, depending on what kind of service you are after. And only then we can get 2%. So until and unless you are making money, we won't make any money. And the other thing is, many a times you ask us the question for Create Wealth specifically. So Create Wealth is our flagship service. We design a customized portfolio for you. For every individual, we actually design something which is different. And that is only possible because we have a really good IT infrastructure supporting us. Otherwise, it could not have been possible to provide this service at such a low cost. And what does the customized service means? Every individual have a different kind of investment pattern. Somebody wants to invest half yearly, somebody wants to invest monthly, quarterly, whatever be the case. If you go for a mass market solution, then they will mandate at what frequency you need to invest. We don't. We will work according to your investment pattern. The next thing is, we will always calculate what is your risk profile, depending on your age, depending on your number of dependents, disposable income, what kind of pension situation you are in, what kind of insurance policy you have, everything taken into consideration. And hence, we do design, when we have clients like who is a housewife and in an age group 50 to 60, for them it is a very low cost, low risk portfolio. On the other hand, somebody in their early 30s who doesn't have any dependent and who is in a high paying job, we actually go for a medium high risk portfolio for them. So we design a portfolio which will deliver the best possible return for your risk profile, for your investment pattern. This is not a mass market solution because one size does not fit all. It doesn't. And hence our value proposition is like that. The other question which came across our way is age group. I am in my 60s or I'm in my 70s. Can I invest? Please note, Create Wealth is such a service. This is customized for every age group. So whatever age bracket you are in, we will design something which works for you. Apart from that, from SD Capital perspective, we would also like to highlight the minimum committed investment value is very reasonable with us. Be it Create Wealth, be it invest in retirement, what you need to commit to invest in a year, that is really a very reasonable amount. You can always start small with us, and then eventually you can actually increase your investment. Almost 60% of our existing customers have done that in past 3 to 4 months time. They have increased their investment amount with us, seeing our performance. This is not something you can get via a mass market investment plan. So once you see our performance, you can always revise your investment plan and we will cater to it. So this is what I wanted to highlight today about SD Capital. If you have any more question about SD Capital, please feel free to send it our way. Our mail ID is mail.sdcapital@gmail.com. You can always reach us via contact us on our website or via our page inbox, whatever works for you. Now, I said in the beginning that we will discuss today one of our free stock recommendations, why we recommended something. Our first stock recommendation was Asian Paints. If you go back to our first video where we recommended, you can see that that was our early April recommendation. Why we recommended Asian Paints at that point? So I would like to call out certain facts about this particular company. This is the largest paint company in Indian market. It has a very strong distribution channel. it has a very high rural demand. In the rural sector, it is very strong. It is entering into construction, chemical, and home improvement solutions, which is going to get it very good returns in 3 to 5 years timeline. Now let's go back in time machine. At that point, beginning of the pandemic, what was happening? Oil price was crashing. It was going super low. What does that mean for paint companies? For paint companies, it is a golden opportunity because their input cost goes down. And Asian Paints, being the largest Indian company, stood to benefit most from it. Moreover, given that it focuses on its economy range product, when economy bounce back typically from a meltdown, there is a high demand for economy range products, rural demand. So these are all really great points about Asian Paints. Look at their financials. Their financials is awesome. Their balance sheet is awesome. So at the beginning of pandemic, we were very sure this is going to be one of the real good performers once stock market picks up the pace. And please remember, stock market is something always forward looking. So if you pick up a particular stock which has got its fundamentals really strong, and you pick it up at the right time, because during the beginning of the pandemic, everything was melting down. Asian Paints was trading at a price point unimaginable. So that was the right point to enter into Asian Paints. And as we keep on reminding you, it is all our stock recommendations are really for 2 to 3 years. But so far, all our stock recommendations have generated healthy profit even in 6 to 8 months time. So when we do recommend a stock, we look at the fundamentals more. We try to check how good the financial situation is, how good the management is, what kind of growth plan they have, what are the new sectors they are entering. And then, as I said, if there is a factor playing into that company's advantage at that point, just as I said for Asian Paints, the crude oil price going down drastically was a big boon for the paints companies. And then obviously we do some more technical analysis. But for today's discussion, I think this provides you enough reasons to understand why we believed Asian Paint to be such a great buy back in April. Anyways, all said and done, now it is time for today's free stock recommendation. Cadila Health. SD Capital research team has strong reasons to believe that Cadila Health has got a bull run ahead of it. As usual, we will share its stop loss price, its target price, everything with our clients. But being our YouTube viewer, if this works for your portfolio, please feel free to build positions into it. You have seen how good our free stock recommendations are. And that's all for today. Vaccines are out. We are expecting Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine to be out next week. And hopefully in a couple of months' time, we will all start to return to normal. I'm hopeful. And once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you. Bye.